Right, blood on.
Okay, you fucking kidding me.
I'm trying to third.
45 on him. Dead.
Right,
Oh, they got over here.
Oh, what the fuck?
Okay.
1v1. You got him. Come towards vibes and use this.
If you have heat shield, you can play for us.
Pop back, pop back, pop back, pop back.
Nah, I'm just rushing.
Okay.
Blocking right side, blocking right side.
I'm gonna use you.
I'm just sitting right side.
36. Haha, haha. Do you see it? You see how he pushed that? It was just jumping, jumping, jumping.
They were
Yeah, they put
they all clean beam the fuck out of me. Mid-air.
No problem.
Have you not learned, bro? Everybody in ranked is correct.
I don't think we lost controller.
I got Valkyrie, come.
I like
we have a
to
cannon here.
sweat on you. I like the name.
Let's go,
This
vibes.
guy's name? Din ansikt. Ja, jag spelar.
Let's go here. Drinks are not complimentary on this flight, though you'll wish to God they were soon enough.
Last team.
They're probably... Wait.
Last team, probably down there, right?
Talion bandit out there.
No, it's over here.
Over there, okay.
I was about to say we have a fucking Ash.
Yeah, I'm like, what the fuck? With a trillion skulls over there.
This is why we should have saved Valkyrie.
Just push up on them and kill them.
Repairing damages.
Wings up.
1 minute till close. Though one of us is welcome to stay outside.
真的3分了，我们可以上到大师。今天好像几点更新？
The ring is near.
哪个几点更新？
Seconds remain.
Cannon.
哎，你们会玩 Overwatch 2吗？今晚出啊，
没
好像
没玩
4个小时出来。OW 2，
both
Yeah.
我想玩一下，但是我不知道你们喜不喜欢看。
Rings not
No 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 shot no oh no， 你们不喜欢看吗？
I'm doing prolers.
那怎么办 ？No no， 有一个玩。
wings out.
我是从 Overwatch 过来的，好吧？但是你们不喜欢看怎么办？我想试一下，我
Pull on the trigger.
42 on one.
This is a shit spot, boys.
Yeah, it's a bad.
Let's back out. Let's win this game.
Wings up.
That is your awful.
Yeah, what is that? It's so open with no cover. I'm checking this side, boys.
They're sliding.
Over here. Got some better?